friends, welcome back to week 12. Thank you for coming along with us. Today we're going to keep checking on the birdies. Most of the boxes are going to be empty. And then once we get to the purple martins,
that is going to be fun.
Yeah,
They're ready to fly.
We got to be very careful when we take down the rigs because we don't want to spook them and then have them fly away.
Little one.
I had boxes in my car too.
Oh. Hey, can I see one?
Good girl.
Okay, you grab one. Thanks for pooping before I grab you. Hi. Hi. Josue's telling me, show Darlene.
So they had,
They
should be 8 or 9 days old. Are
Okay.
there 3 or are there 5?
3. It's gone.
He's gone?
He made it?
Look like he made it. Yeah, they're close to.
Oh yeah, the tail and everything.
Yep.
I would only get one out.
Yeah, no, I know.
You know how many are in there?
I think they're 3.
Yeah, with that tail like that, they're about ready to go.
Here she comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're poking my fingers.
So they're all in the pine tree. There's 3 of them. Mom, Dad, and the one young that fledged. And they were trying to get this one out. Oh, there he goes! There he goes! Oh, that was... Yep, they're not happy with us here. He's ready. There he goes! We may be putting him back in. Oh, look at Dad. Mom and Dad are not...
Why is he not flying?
I don't know. Maybe he's the runt.
Apurate!
They will hit you on the head.
They already did.
Just put him in the hole.
Hey, go. You're not ready to fly.
Oh, they're excited now. Careful.
Empty.
Okay, Darlene's gonna show us how to use the prognosticator.
So I'm looking at when the first egg was laid, and then looking out to see how many eggs there were. There were 5 eggs. So on May 31st, a set of complete eggs. So it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. So here it says the set total number of eggs in the completed clutch. So we know the first egg was laid May 31st, and they laid 5 eggs. So on June 4th, the clutch was finished. They started hatching on June 23rd, and then on July 19th, they would start to fledge. 28 days, 28 is here, 26.
Today is the 19th.
Okay, so that one we can't check, but the problem isn't when you lower the rig, the problem is when you raise the rig back up. That's when they get all jumpy.
Spooked.
And if there's a big insect load in the nest, that causes them to be jumpy and jump out. But because it's been so dry, we know there hasn't been a big insect load in the nest. So there's all these different things that you're considering. So with this being fledge day, that may be why it's so loud here, and maybe that nest is already up in the top of that tree, and that's why we're seeing all that activity. So I'm hesitant to lower that rig. Ah, look at all of them.
Oh, we're getting ready to hit us. We're in the hot spot.
I see we are. Yeah,
okay,
not
so
good.
we can't do either one?
We can't do either one, and then checking the third one. I think we have to skip this week.
Okay.
That was my idea last week. For this week.
Wow, look at them.
Hey!
No. Really? It's mesmerizing watching them. It's just their, wow.
All take off at the same time.
Ah!
Gee, Mom and Dad are calling the babies and they're trying to come out.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. I think it's Gio,
Okay, so we're not gonna lower the rigs this week because there are a lot of babies getting ready to fledge, and that's not good for us to scare them away.
I
So
thought when the parent
we'll check next week. Let's go ahead and finish up the bluebirds and the tree swallow nest. Okay, so we're checking the last bluebird nests boxes. Most of them were empty like we predicted. The tree swallows have finished their nesting for the season, but some of the bluebirds will still nest until Memorial Day weekend, until September. Thank you for coming along. Sorry you couldn't see more of the purple martins. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on the little bell to get notifications when our new videos show up, and leave any comments. And if you want to help, reach out. Have a good one. Bye.
Oh yeah, he's not ready. He don't have wings. No, his wings.
But there should be a fourth one in there unless we missed one.
Yeah, that
But the
happened
first two flew well.
Yeah.
There's Dad.
Yeah. You're forcing your kids to fly. They're not ready.
Feed them. Isn't he beautiful? And there she is. Yes, brighter. Yes. Yeah, and some blue on her wings. Listen to that chatter. And see, it brings the goldfinch. Look at that, there were like 3 goldfinch. And there's other birds hopping around back there. Oh, he's staying in.